Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Salam. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Muhammad Alfi Khairuman, SPD MPD. I am a lecturer in the Port and Shipping Management KPNK Study Program at Akademi Kelautan Banyuwangi Akaba. Educational background: first, bachelor's degree Strata 1 in English Education from IKIP Budi Tomo Malang. Master's degree Strata 2 in English Education from the Islamic University of Malang, Unisma. Third, doctoral degree Strata 3 in Language Education from Ganesha University of Education, Undiksa, Singaraja, Bali. In the Port and Shipping Management KPNK Study Program at Akaba, Akademi Kelautan Banyuwangi, my field of expertise in language education. I have taught several compulsory courses in the Port and Shipping Management KPNK program, including: first, English conversation; number 2, English correspondent; number 3, English for Port and Shipping 2; number 4, English for logistics. On this occasion, I would like to explain my teaching technique for the English conversation course. Course information: course name English conversation, course code KPN 2301, credit unit 2 SKS, semester 1. This course is a prerequisite for advanced English-based course in subsequent semester. Technique method: the English conversation course is delivered use a blend learning method combining face-to-face, online class with digital support. Online class are conducted through lecture and discussion, along with group assessment, what analyze real world industry related class relevant to English communication in professional setting. Course description: English conversation focus on the development of active and communicative English speaking skill. The course includes training on how to conduct, deliver, and respond to conversation in various daily life, academic, and professional context. Proficiency in spoken English is essential in supporting accurate decision making, building effective workplace communication, boosting confidence in global interaction. In both professional and educational environment, English conversation skills are also applied in: first, presentation; second, group discussion; third, negotiation; fourth, interviews; fifth, customer service. This course does not only focus on technical speaking skill, but also involve: first, critical thinking; second, cultural awareness; third, effective communication strategies. All of these are vital for preparing students to face globalization and communicate professionally across culture. Course learning outcomes (TPL). The learning outcome of the English conversation course, as defined by the program, are: first, the students are able to communicate effectively in English in various conversational situations, both spoken, written, with attention to appropriate vocabulary usage and grammatical structure. Number 2, students have to a deep understanding of the fundamental principle of English conversation, including grammar, pronunciation, and expression within different social contexts. Number 3, students demonstrate a positive attitude in communication such as confidence, empathy, and the ability to listen and interact well in English conversation. Based on the above CPMK, the specific outcome for this course are: first, students are able to practice English conversation confidently and effectively in everyday situation. Number 2, students are able to understand and use a wide array of appropriate expression and vocabulary in English conversation, both in formal and informal context. Number 3, students are able to interact well in group discussion or private conversation using fluent and clear English. First topic, there are 14 meetings. First, introduction to English conversation. Second, basic daily conversation. Third, talking about yourself and others. Fourth, expressing needs and wants. Fifth, making requests and asking for permission. Sixth, offering help. 7, giving and asking for direction. 8, describing daily activities. 9, shopping conversation. 10, making appointment and invitation. 11, expressing opinion and preference. 12, telephone and online conversation. 13, problem solving and complaint handling. 14, final conversation practice and evaluation. Reference: Azhar BSS 2009, Understanding and Using English Grammar, Person Education. Number 2, Chuan M 2005, Practical English Usage, Oxford University Press. Number 3, Brockton G, Bramfit C, Flaufel R, Hill P, and Princess A 2003, Teaching English as a Foreign Language, Routledge. Technique: teaching, use DIEA method. First, delivery. Material is delivered through PowerPoint presentation in each meeting. Students are assigned to read article or complete text related to English conversation, and weekly presentations are held to improve their confidence and speaking skill. I also provide video link, for example via YouTube, related to professional communication and conversation technique. Number 2, interaction. At each meeting, I encourage student interaction by inviting questions or clarification on any confusing material. I allocate time for Q&A session and class discussion, both in the classroom and through WhatsApp group, to ensure ongoing communication outside of formal class hours. Number 3A, assessment. In the first meeting, I provide a course contact, outline expectation, and assessment criteria, helping students stay focused and well prepared. Assessment components include: first, attendance and participation 20%. Number 2, in-class exercise and assessment 40%. Number 3, midterm exam 20%. Number 4, final exam 20%. The following is snippet of the learning process for the English conversation course that I did. Thanks so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Morning, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I am very well, thank you so much. Okay, everyone, before we begin this lecture, I would like to pray together. Please pray together. Okay, finish. Next, for now, I would like to absent. I ask you to fill this absence. Okay, everyone. For this lesson, we will discuss about the offering help in English. So, there are 4 points we will discuss together. First, understand the meaning. Second, respond quietly. Third, use appropriate expression. The last point, practice in context. Number 1, about the definition of offering help. We know about the asking and offering help. Asking for help is an expression on sentence used to request assistance from others. Next, offering help is expression or sentence used to offer assistance to others. Good form of conversation are crucial in everyday communication for building good and effective social relationship. And then, asking for help, there are 2 kinds of. First, direct and indirect. Direct, asking for help directly. For example, can you help me? Number 2, indirect, using more polite and polite language. For example, could you possibly help me with this? For the next, offering help. There are 2 kinds of offering help. First, direct, offering help directly. For example, let me help you. Number 2, indirect, offering help in more polite or polite way. For example, would you like some help with that? And we can make conclusion about the offering help. The definition of offering help is expressing willingness to assist someone in need physically or emotionally. For example, can I help you carry your book? Would you like me to explain that again? Okay, before we next out this material, I would like to ask one of you all about the definition. So far, any question, everybody?
Bisa perlu tulisannya.
Yes.
Bisa sensitif.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
Boleh terus juga.
Yeah. Before I Next, our material, I would like to choose one of you all to give a question. Regan. Yeah.
Excuse me, my name is Regan Alfonso, and in my opinion that I write in my book, the definition of offering help is action of providing assistance to the someone who needs the aid. Its purpose is to show care and build good relationship with the others. So that's what, in my opinion, about the definition of offering help.
Okay, thanks so much. I would like to choose one of you all to make the example. Okay, Akbar.
Yes, sir. Want me to stand up, sir?
Yeah, please.
First, my name is Akbar Rizal Ilyas. I want ask for the example for the granting help. The example, I have my LU. And would you like some help?
Yeah, thanks so much. Please. Okay, give applause. Okay, everybody. For the next, I would like to turn on the video, and then you can pay attention. For the next, you can analyze and identity. You can make conclusion. This is the video.
Can I help you? Yes, please. I want 2 order spaghetti meatballs and 2 bottles of cola, please. Do you want a spicy or sweet sauce? Spicy, please. Is there anything else? No, thank you.
Where is it? This video. Where is it? This video conversation. Yes, good. This is a restaurant. Next.
It's $15. Please wait for 15 minutes. We will prepare your order. Thanks. My pleasure. Are you okay, Freya?
No, I'm so stressed. The deadline is tomorrow. Besides, I have to do my math homework too. This makes me dizzy.
Can I help you with your art project? I'm good at arranging music.
Really? Thank you, Raymond. That's very kind of you.
Don't mention it. Hey, Freya. I have done your project.
Yay! Thanks for your help, Raymond.
I only help you to arrange the music. By the way, your lyrics are easy. I like your song.
Thanks, Raymond.
Have you done your math homework?
Not yet.
Can I give you a hand?
No, thanks. I can do it myself.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, this is video. So for the next, I would like to choose one of you all to first. What about this video first? Next, you can identify what about this video based on your opinion. Okay? Please up your hand. Yeah, please stand up. Yes.
My name is Ravina Chandra. From the video room, it provides samples of sentences expressing asking for help and offering help. Like, can I help you and can I give you a hand?
Yeah. Okay, thanks so much. Okay, please give applause. For the next, before we change our slide PowerPoint. For the next PowerPoint, expression to accept help. There are four kinds of the expression of to accept help. First, yes, please, that would be great. Next, sure, that would be help a lot. Next, thank you, I appreciate it. Yes, I'd love some help. For the next slide, expression to refuse help politely. So, there are many kind of the example. First, no, thank you, I can manage. Next, no, need to worry, I've got this. I'm okay, but thanks for offering. Thanks, but I have already finished. This is the example, dialogue example in the library. There are two persons, A and B. A, you look confused and have you found a book? B, yes, please. I'm looking for the history section. Sure, it is on the second floor, next to the science book. B, thanks a lot. Okay, for the last section, I would like to make the example of helping. I hope there are two persons come forward to practice conversation of the hand. I choose Reva and Rega. Please come forward.
Comment kami on shift direction. Ini terus kan aja.
Yes, please.
Finish.
Roger. Hey, Emma.
Hello,
Does Cox Laws within me? Do you get how to pay it?
you know, I thought I could handle it, but there's here I expect. I appreciate you out.
No problem at all. By the way, where do you need for the police force?
Just over there, and I'm trying to do everything and up for it.
Over there? That's no problem. Let's go. Let's get this food and the trumpet. If you need,
Please, here. At the moment. Okay, there are two persons. You practice offering help. Mr. Rega,
yes,
Mr. Rega. Can you play one sentence of your help?
The sentence is, do you need the hands to carry the box?
No, I thought I could it, but they're heavier and I expected. But I do appreciate your help.
Okay, this is so much. Please. You. Okay, for the next
What models are often used when offering help?
Once more.
What models are often used offering help?
Okay, please done. Yeah. So that but often to use offering help. For example, the expression. First, we can choose word based on the black and black. Based on the black and black. If we use the black sentence, we use would. Would you have me? This is black. In black, can you have me or will you have me? I think like that. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For the next, before I close this meeting, any questions so far?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, please stand up. Yes.
I have a question about women types in offering help.
Okay, thank you very much. Please now. So there are many. How many kind of the offering hand? So there are two kind of the offering hand. First, asking for help. Second, offering help. And asking for help, there are two kind of direct and indirect. Direct and indirect. Offering help, also there are 2 points. First, direct and indirect. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks so much. For the next meeting, I hope for you all to make group. For the next meeting, I make your 3 group, and then you can summary. You can summary first offering help is keep polite conversation. Next, use expression like can I help you? Next, respond flat to offer. And then write a dialogue 5 and 7 line between 2 friends when one overhead and other respond. Okay, I think that's all. If any mistake from me, I'm so sorry so much. See you next time. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.